Bluey and Bingo were running across the yard when a strange sound shook the air. Oink! Oink! Bingo froze. Bluey, did you hear that? From the bushes burst out a giant pink pig, bigger than the slide, eyes wide and snorting steam. Bluey gasped, "That's not a normal pig. That's a monster pig." The pig stomped, dirt flying everywhere. Bingo squealed, "It's coming right for us." Bluey growled, "Stand back, I'll handle this." The pig charged, faster than a storm, shaking the ground with every step. Could Bluey stop it before it crushed everything? The tension snapped like lightning. Bluey leapt aside, the pig slammed into the fence, splinters flying. Bingo shouted, "It's too strong." But Bluey's eyes lit up. "Strong doesn't scare me." She barked, sending shockwaves across the yard. The pig stumbled, shook its head, then roared louder. Oink thundered like drums. The battle had only begun. Bluey dashed under its belly, barking fierce. Bingo grabbed a rope, tossing it toward her sister. Catch! Bluey spun the rope, leapt high, and looped it around the pig's neck. The pig thrashed, snorting fire, shaking the ground like an earthquake. Would the rope hold, or snap into pieces? With one final lunge, Bluey wrapped the rope tight, pulling with all her might. Bingo shouted, "You can do it!" The pig screeched, stumbled, and fell with a ground-shaking boom. Dust filled the air. Silence. Then, snore, the pig stood again, but softer, calmer, eyes glowing with kindness now. Bluey patted its head. "You weren't a monster. You were scared." The pig oinked gently, nuzzling against her paw. Bingo laughed. "Now we've got the biggest pet in the world." The sisters climbed on its back, riding across the yard like heroes. Bluey turned to us, grinning wide. "Did that wild ride make your heart race?" If you felt the thrill, hit like, subscribe, and come back for the next adventure, because it only gets crazier from here.